Hello, Team 6-1 Math students. Today for your flipped learning homework assignment, I am going to give you the directions for an activity that we are going to do in class tomorrow. The activity is called the Online Shopping Transfer Task. You have 3 learning targets for this transfer task. They are 1. I can assemble information needed to solve a real-world problem. 2. I can demonstrate that fluency with decimal computation is important when shopping for food items. 3. I can select specific recipes in order to relate with people of different cultures and enhance my view of a global society. This task also gives you the opportunity to apply the following Common Core mathematical practices. 1. Make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. 2. Construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. 3. Use appropriate tools strategically. And 4. Attend to precision. Tomorrow in class, we will start the lesson with a launch. We'll do another one of our 3-act math lessons. After that, you will begin your shopping online challenge. It's your turn to shop online. Life can be very busy. Finding time to grocery shop can be a challenge for many families. Most grocery stores have solved that problem by offering home delivery. All one has to do is go online and select the groceries that need to be delivered to home. With a partner, you will have the opportunity to experience online grocery shopping by following the directions for 3 grocery shopping challenges. However, there is a problem. The online calculator went down. You and your partner will need to calculate your totals by hand. You and your partner do not have to purchase the same items for the challenges. You and your partner will each turn in your own packet. Down below here are the rubrics for each of the 3 challenges that you will complete. You can see that you want to make sure to attend to precision, line up your decimals, make sure your items and cents are written accurately in decimal form, and then calculate your bill accurately. Each challenge increases in point totals. The project total points is 30 points. There is an opportunity in Challenge 3 for 3 extra credit points. Challenge 1. In Challenge 1, you will visit the Meijer online shopping site. You will find prices for the food items in the shopping cart below. The link for the Meijer shopping site is here. Record the prices in your Meijer shopping cart and calculate the total. Your shopping cart will look like this. So for this challenge, all you have to do is find each of these items on the Meijer online shopping site. You want to add $10 for the delivery charge, and then add up your items for the subtotal. That means the cost without tax. In Challenge 2, you have a choice. You are required to select and complete only one of the 2 options offered in this challenge. Challenge 2, Option 1. In this challenge, you and your partner have $30 to spend. You will spend $20 on groceries and $10 on delivery. Visit the Meijer online shopping site again. Try to spend as close to $30 as you can without going over. Use the shopping cart below to record purchases and calculate your totals. Or you might choose to do Challenge 2, Option 2. In Option 2, you and your table partner have $50 to spend. You will spend $40 on groceries and $10 on delivery. Visit the Meijer online shopping site again. Try to spend as close to $50 as you can without going over. You'll use the shopping cart below. In this cart, you also have to purchase items within these designated categories. The last challenge, Challenge 3, is You Be the Top Chef. For this task, you will need to select an ethnic recipe, create a shopping list, and calculate the cost of preparing the dish. Step 1, you are going to search for a recipe online. If you would like, you can use one of the pre-selected recipes I have in this link. You can visit one of these 3 online sites and find your own ethnic recipe. You may even bring in a recipe from home if you have your own dish that you would like to use in this challenge. However, you may select any culture you want. Those cultures are Egyptian, Greek, Roman, Chinese, and Indian. These are cultures that we study in social studies, so it would be great if you link your recipe to our social studies class. Step 2, let's go shopping. Use the shopping template on the next page to create a shopping list for the ingredients needed for your dish. Use the Meijer shopping site to search the price for each of the ingredients and calculate the cost of making your dish. You and your partner do not have to select the same recipe. You and your partner will each turn in your own packet. Here is the shopping template for your recipe. Now here's where the extra credit is. At the bottom of this template, it says optional, 3 extra credit points. Calculate the tax for your shopping bill. Calculate the tax, multiply the subtotal by 8%, which is 0.08 in decimal form. Add the tax to your subtotal. This is the total cost for your ingredients. So that is the online shopping challenge. You will have 3 days in class to work on this transfer task. Now, another thing we want to take a look at is making sure that you know how to navigate the Meijer online shopping site. Let's go to the link in Challenge 1. Once you get to the Meijer online shopping site, there are a couple different ways that you can search for products. You can just go right up to search. Let's say you want to purchase a gallon of milk. You can just type in gallon milk, and then options show up for you. The other way you can search for products is by going to departments, and then here you could click on grocery. Under grocery, we have several different categories. We have produce. Produce are items such as fruit, vegetables. And then you can see you have dairy, frozen meat, and so on. There's also a section called pantry. Pantry would be items that you would find in your own pantry at home, such as cereal, ketchup, things like that. So again, let's say I wanted to purchase milk. I would just go to dairy, click on the milk category, and then here are my options for milk. Let's say I wanted to go back to my departments. I go to grocery, and maybe I wanted to buy some apples. So that would be under produce. I would go to fruit, and then here are all my options of fruit, and there's apples. I could click on apples, and this gives me the price of some different options with apples. Ooh, Taffy apples, one of my favorites. And this is actually giving you the price of apples for each apple. Sometimes you might even see that the price is per bag, might even show you the price per pound. That is how you will navigate the Meijer online shopping site. I look forward to our activity tomorrow. We're going to have a fun time. And then remember, Chef Ray is coming to school to visit us on Friday. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.